forget and lose your key? Do you want to know who has opened your door, and when? Do you need higher security level for doors? You definitely need a smart door lock. Check this one. Introducing Schlage Encode Smart, one of the best smart door lock in 2020. Easy installation. Step 1. Install the bolt. Step 2. Install the touchscreen. Step 3. Install the backplate. Step 4. Connect the cable. Step 5. Secure the lock on the door. Step 6. Install the batteries and cover. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Connectivity built-in. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock-unlock from anywhere, no additional accessories required. Works with Alexa. Add voice control by combining with an Alexa device. Alexa, lock the door. Fingerprint resistance. Capacitive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Link in the description below.